This Century 21 The Real Estate Center property video is presented by Mary Tinka. Beautifully maintained home. Just move right in. Wood floors throughout the 3 finished levels. The living room offers a brand new sliding glass door which leads to the deck that overlooks a wooded view. The lower level provides a walkout basement which includes a brand new sliding glass door which takes you to a lower deck and fenced backyard. The kitchen offers newer stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. The bedroom level full bath has been updated with a new bathtub and tile surround. The home is located in a cul-de-sac. Minutes to I270 Great Seneca Highway, shopping, restaurants and the library, a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Mary Tinka at 301